Storytelling is key in public speaking. If you are delivering your presentations and you know how to tell good stories, you can bring your audience along and create that impact that you want to create. So there are two ways or two techniques of telling stories. One is your personal stories. How do you use your personal story to influence your audience? How do you use your personal stories, maybe your experiences, what you've gone through in life, and all the tough times, good times, bad times you've gone through in your life? You can use those stories to inspire your audience. So your personal life story is, you can use that to tell your audience and to share with your audience to let them appreciate what you've gone through. It could be experience, skills, techniques, whatever. Those are your stories. There's another component of storytelling that you can use to influence your audience. That is other people's stories. So you can use other people's stories to inspire your audience. So I can pick the story of Kwame Despite, I can pick the story of Mark Zuckerberg, and I will use that to inspire my audience. So in the related issue, if you are in the marketing department and you can use the story of your product, maybe you've written a book and you can use the story of your book to inspire your audience. If you want to sell your phone, you can use the story of that phone. If you're telling people all the features, the functions of the phone, you're telling the story of the phone to your audience because you want them to buy. So storytelling is key. So if you're selling a product, service, if you want to inspire your audience with the power of your voice, you need to know how to tell your own stories. My name is Ibrahim Mustapha. I am your public speaking coach. I am always here to let you appreciate that you can speak. You can make a difference with the power of your voice and the power of your stories. Let's connect. Like this. Follow me for more. I believe in you. I believe in the power of your dreams.